So we're back here again, folks. Today I'm doing a viewer ask video. And this one comes from my boy Artist Dunk. Turns out he owns one of these bad boys. And it seems like he'd like to turn his mulching machine into a machine that will shoot it all over. So that's what we'll be doing today on Kachi's Kid. So folks, we're not even going to hold you up because most likely you got grass to cut. But to install the discharge chute, this metal bar will line up with this hole here, and this hole here will be installed on the bolt that is under the holder. So installation looks a lot like this. I want to line up my metal bar first, and then I want to put this on the bolt. And you'll be able to tell because this plastic piece will rest right here. And then you just reinstall your holder. And that, folks, is how you install your discharge chute. So I want everybody to have a great day. This is your boy Kachi's Kid. And you know I'll see you on the next one. Peace, ma.